and welcome to video 1 of a 4-part series called Project Baneblade. Now, Project Baneblade is a collaboration between myself at Paint by Blunders and Merlin's Miniatures, who own this model and I'm a studio painter for. Now, Project Baneblade, what is it? Well, we are going to take this lovely, beautiful 1999 resin Forge World kit of the legendary Baneblade, and we are going to paint this up and make a nice diorama scenic base to go on display. So as I open this thing up, I can see that someone who originally owned this model wanted to paint it in a lovely, what I can assume is like a 90s ultramarine scheme, which looks great, but that is not what we're going to go for here. Now I started getting out all the pieces and realised that there is quite a few to stick onto this model. I haven't stuck all of them down yet. I thought I'd stick the tracks down because I read online that they are notoriously terrifying. And then I discovered there is guns, 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 and even more guns. So as video 1, I figured I should airbrush this with some primer. I'm just going to use Mecha Color Black from Vallejo, and I'm just going to airbrush this with my Galeri 0.5 needle to really chew through it. Nothing too special to see here. One thing I did discover though is there is a hell of a lot of surface area to spray, and it made me realise just how big this thing is. So this model was the first commercially available Baneblade model made by Forge World in 1999, and it is almost 1 kilo of resin. Now, we wanted this to be a collaboration project between obviously myself and Merlin's Miniatures, but we wanted this to be a collaboration project with you. So every step of the way, we want you guys to help us decide how this project's going to move forward from our primed position here all the way to the finished article. Now, first up, we've got to decide what scheme are we going to do. Now, we could do it in the box art technically of the Imperial Armory from back in the day. We could do it as a Krieg Baneblade from the 13th. We could do it as a classic Cadian paint scheme. Nothing is off the table. Write in the comments below, and whatever gets the most votes, that's what we're going to do. Here's some Baneblade trivia for you. These monsters weigh in at 316 tons in the lore. That is the equivalent to 192 hippos. The Baneblade is also crewed by 10 people, 1 commander, 3 gunners, 3 loaders, a driver, a comms operator and an engineer. And there's even space to put your golf clubs in the back. The Baneblade is also equipped with 11 guns, 1 Baneblade cannon, 1 demolisher cannon, 1 auto cannon, 2 las cannons and 6 heavy bolters. Just enough to kill anything you want to point it at. One of the things I loved when looking at this is like the really 90s sculpted details. Not just in the skulls etc, but like the hatches and the minor details. It's got so much character. Now, just the box alone will bring back a lot of memories for certain people, because these mail order boxes I have fond memories of. Now, where I'm from in Brighton, down on the south coast, when I go into my local GW, or did, on the right hand side there always used to be like an Argos catalogue with, you know, all the miniatures you could order etc, and you fill out your little thing, pay, yep, it'll be here in a couple of weeks, and then you'd get a phone call from the store on your landline, and in would be your lovely mail order box looking like this with all your goodies in. Yeah, lovely little bit of nostalgia just in this box alone. So just as like a final step in getting this ready to paint for the next video, all I've done is decided to airbrush a white ink just over some of these edges and to find some of these lines. It makes it look a little bit like Tron, but it does make it easier to read and see on camera for when I get ready to paint it. Thank you again for checking out video 1 in Project Baneblade. I hope you join us for the ride by hitting subscribe, hitting that bell and commenting about how you want to see this beauty painted. Now, I'll see you on the next one.